Well, it's the next morning here. We've got everything packed up in the camper, so that's all ready to go. We just need to swing by the store, grab some groceries, fill up on propane and gas, and then we'll be ready to hit the road. I'll be driving up in this little Honda CR-V here. My dad will drive the camper up. That way, once we set up camp, we can take this when we want to go check out some trails and go run around, rather than having to take the RV camper thing, just because, you know, that's kind of a hassle. Yeah, I'll be driving this up and he'll be driving the camper. All right, quick little update for the drive so far. We just stopped real quick at a little rest stop to use the bathroom. I just got to get through a little bit of traffic in this area. The traffic hasn't been too bad so far, but yeah, hopefully we'll keep moving here and not get stuck in too much traffic. The drive's been going good so far. We're just stopping to grab a quick bite to eat here. We're in Sultan, something like that. We're only about an hour away from where we'll be camping at. We stopped at this little place here called Vic's Burger Shack. I'm just waiting for my dad to get here in the camper because he was just a few minutes behind me. So once he gets here, we'll order some food, and then there's some like little tables out back there that we'll go sit there and yeah, sit outside, eat a burger, and then finish up our last hour of driving. Just got our food, got burgers and fries. Got me a little iced coffee thing, got a Red Bull spritzer from that place right over there while we were waiting for the burgers. So yeah, gonna eat a quick lunch here and then only have about an hour left on the road. Well, we made it out here to where we're going to be camping. Got the CR-V here, got the RV over there. Just getting the levels out to get it leveled out over there. But yeah, we're just up on this Forest Service road. There's a bunch of little roads and trails around here. Yeah, once we get camp set up with that, we might take the CR-V out to go drive around a little more. I just climbed up on this little dirt pile here to give a little better view of the campsite. So got the camper out, the side popped out, got the awning out over there, CR-V there, and we got this nice open area here, you know, just for hanging out and whatever. It kind of sucks because we're not allowed to have campfires right now. It's been really dry out, so there's been a lot of forest fires. But yeah, there's this big old pile of dried pallets and stuff here, so that sucks. We'd be able to have a big bonfire if they weren't banned right now. We'll finish getting things set up, and maybe I'll throw the drone up real quick, get a quick aerial shot of this. So we're out here driving the CR-V, going up some more of the Forest Service roads. It's kind of steep up there, but yeah, it's pretty bumpy, a lot of rocks, and she's doing good though. We're gonna take her up there, and I think there's like a lake or something coming up. But yeah, we'll just keep making our way up there. Well, we made our way quite a ways up here. The CR-V is still running. She hasn't broken down yet, so that's, you know, so far so good. So that's where the CR-V is at right now, and this is part of all the road we came up, and we've been going on it for quite a few miles now. So we got down to this spot, and we think we found the trail over there between the trees. Looks like